In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in automatically to Instagram account without password. So for that, first of all, launch open Instagram application. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log in automatically next time, what you have to do is simply save the login info. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, Account Center, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the Account Center interface. What you have to do is tap on this option, Password and Security, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the password and security interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At fourth, you'll be able to find this option for saved login. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, what you have to do is select the account for which you want to save the login info. So simply tap on your Instagram account. Now you'll be able to save the login info for your Instagram account. All you have to do is toggle this button on right next to the option for save login. After you do that, the login info for your Instagram account will be saved and you won't need to enter the login credentials on this device next time you log in. So like this, you'll be able to automatically log into the Instagram account without password. So that is how you automatically log into Instagram account without password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.